Hey love, guess what time of the month it is?
Let me guess. It is time to see what my AI waifu demands for this month, right?
Yup, I've sent over a data frame with everything I'm hoping for this month. Thanks, hun.
For this task, I'll utilize pandas for data analysis and manipulation tasks, and employ Seaborn to create visual representations of the data. First up, what's the shape of this data? We will use the shape attribute for our data frame to get the number of rows and columns. It looks like our dataset has 30 rows and 3 columns, but let's say you just wanted to get the column names and the data type. To do so, we could simply use the dtypes attribute to get both the column names and the respective data type. So we have a date, item, and price column. First, let's create a line chart to observe our spending over the month. We will use the date and price column for this. We will start by importing Seaborn and Matplotlib modules, and refer to them as SNS and PLT respectively. Change our date into a datetime object. Use plt.figure to set the size of the chart. SNS.lineplot to create our line chart. The lineplot function takes in our data frame and columns as variables. Additionally, you can add an estimator. For this case, I used to sum to get the total sum of the price for each date. Finally, we will use plt.title, xlabel, and ylabel to label our chart appropriately. Then, we will create a loop to label each date with the price using plt.text. Okay, let's see our chart. Wow, quite the spiky chart. It is almost as if I used random numbers to generate the data. But a line chart gives us a clear understanding of how much we will spend each day. Why don't we check how much we will spend on each item? To do so, we will sns.barplot. Similar to line chart, barplot takes our data frame and columns as value. Again, we will set our estimator to sum. Reminder that the estimator will be set to mean as default. Let's run it. Boy, that is a lot of money for makeup, but I don't like the error bar in the chart, so I will remove it. This is simply done by putting none in the error bar variable. Now we have a nice clean bar chart of my bankruptcy. Hope this chart tutorial helped you learn more about Seaborn. I have attached the necessary links in the description. And finally, remember to always question, analyze, and conquer.